taught us to talk, when Dad helped us to walk, how we began to write and draw, lessons learned from every flaw. These are the stories of our lives. High rise, high rise, high rise. What dreams may come, we are the living sum. High rise, even after death arrives. High rise, these are the stories of our lives. High rise, high rise, high rise. These are the stories of our making, smells and tastes in the kitchen baking, momentary times of insane action, comforting feelings of satisfaction, textured sounds so silky sweet, sensations like grains of wheat, the pounding of exciting beats, recollections of such tasty treats, linger even after death arrives. These are the stories of our lives. High rise, high rise, high rise. Oh, what dreams may come, we are one, we are the living sum. High rise, even after death arrives. High rise, these are the stories of our lives. High rise. These are the stories of our lives. High rise, high rise. Oh, what dreams may come, we are one, we are the living sum. High rise, even after death arrives. High rise, these are the stories of our